Hey guys, welcome back to another Thank Truck Is Friday. This week I'm going to take you through a brand new range to us here at Kuda from Unilite. Here we go then, Unilite. I'm sure quite a few of you will have heard of this brand. They are making some serious waves. They're not a new company, but they're making some serious waves in the workshop environment. Unilite is built tough, that's their slogan. It's a range of workshop consumables, lots of torches and different neck lights and beanies with lights built into them and safety equipment and things like that. But it is, I think, one of the reasons why we wanted to bring it on as a brand here at Kuda is, one, because they are well known and it's a good brand, but at the same time it just looks so cool. Like it's one of those brands, it's kind of like an Apple kind of product where as soon as you get it and you get the box in your hand and you feel the quality of the packaging and you unbox the product and you use the product and you realize like why you would want to buy the Unilite stuff. Okay, we're doing this over video. I can't really you can't touch and feel the quality over the video. But hopefully when I just take you through a few of these products we've got here, you'll see the video, on the video how good they are. We have Millie behind the camera and I'm going to blind her in a load of these torches because she should have been filming this video. But anyway, these are the Unilite safety goggles. We'll give them to Millie just so she can wear something in case. Anyway, let's get into it. So we'll start with, I've got a beanie on my head. It's got a torch on it. I don't even think I've got this on straight. Okay, not a revolutionary product or anything, but keeps you warm in the winter. Handy if you're working on a truck or a van or whatever. Has different brightness levels. I've turned it off yet. Has different brightness levels. Has a red light on there as well. If you need to work with a red light. I've got the neck torch on. Very cool product. Really sturdy, and the light on it is ridiculous. I mean, stupid brightness on that. Nope. Can't even turn it off. You keep pressing the button and it goes through different brightness levels and then turns off. Very cool. We have the cut resistance gloves. Again, look awesome, but they are, you know, a really good quality glove. They have a, I forget what the impact protection is on them, but they're all rated to a real high impact protection. Great work gloves. Come with a Velcro strap there to secure around your wrist. They come in different sizes, and I think there might be a couple of different designs in those as well, but really nice product those. What else have we got in the workshop range? I don't think we've got anything else here, but there's tape measures, they do have a full range of knives. We can't sell those online for obviously distance selling reasons, but we can organise those if that's something that you need. And then, yeah, moving on to the light of Unilite is the torches. They have a huge range of torches. They have ones that take regular batteries, they have rechargeable ones, they have a complete wireless range. So this here is a portable wireless charger, and then they have products within, Unilite have products within the range that have wireless charging chips in, just like your phone. So the idea is you'd charge this power bank up, use your product, and then as soon as you need to use it, or recharge it, sorry, you lay it on here and it's a wireless power bank. Can also be plugged in wireless to the wall obviously as well to charge your products. So one power bank charges a whole range of stuff, which is a really nice way of, you know, keeping power when you're on the move, or if you're in the back of the van and you haven't got access to power, you've got that right there. They do big lantern torches, which again are crazy bright, different adjustable levels there. Also on the bottom of it has a nice work light here as well, which I think is really cool. It's just, again, the quality, like this thing, like I feel like I could throw this across the room and it'll be absolutely fine. USB charging, it's got USB-C and USB 0.2, type 2, I don't know what they call them, but anyway, USB there for you to charge from. It's got a mount underneath here as well, so there's like a screw thread mount, so if you do have a tripod mount, you could mount it on there. It comes with a strap, which probably goes in that mount as well. Very cool product, this one. We've got different types of sort of torches. So this is one of the wireless ones that I was telling you about. So this torch here goes with this base. So it's got wireless charging capabilities, 1200 lumens in that. So again, look, lid comes off. Look how nicely it's presented in the box. Comes with a USB charging cable as well. And then this thing here, so really solid metal construction there, plastic on the handle. Has the little wireless charging symbol, which means it's wireless compatible or charging compatible with their range here. And then yeah, again, just bright, has all different brightness levels. You've got USB charger on the end of it. It's, yeah, really cool bit of kit, that one. Head torches, so they do a full range of head torches. This is a 550 lumen head torch, sort of like an entry-level head torch. They go all the way up to crazy high levels. They do ones that are compatible with this wireless charging. What I do like about the head torch range, I don't know if you can see it, and maybe some of you might have seen it already, but you get on like sportswear, you get this like silicone non-slip, and Unilite put that on their straps here. Probably be some close-up of this, you'll be looking at it, because me looking on the camera you can't really see it, but it just stops that slippage when it's on your head, and it's really comfortable to wear. So yeah, the straps, and then so this head torch here, again, you've got a USB charging cable, nice fluorescent design. The fluorescent yellow goes through the whole Unilite range, and I think that's probably my favourite part about it is the colouring, but that's a bit sad. You've got like your standard, is it Maglite used to do torches like this, but just like a real nice, good quality torch that you can have in your van or your truck or whatever. Again, 550 lumen. We've done the safety goggles. This here is like a pocket light, so again, really nicely packaged in the foam packaging there, but it comes with a USB charger, and then so it's kind of like, you know, you'd have it in your, keep it in your pocket sort of thing, your top pocket, a little inspection light or whatever it might be. But again, little tiny torch on the end. I mean, that is, you can't, I'm sure it's coming out quite bright on the camera, but that is ridiculous. Little tiny LED. Yeah, and then a full light on here. What I would say is everything is CE, UKCA marked, so you've got absolutely no quibbles on the quality of it. The warranty support is awesome. You know, they're not going to quibble if it goes wrong. They're not going to go wrong, though. These things are practically indestructible. We have a huge part of the Unilite range available online. There are other parts of the Unilite range that we're not advertising on our website, but we can get it. If you're a Unilite fan and you know what you want, that is something we can help you out with. So to find the Unilite stuff, go on our website, there's a workshop tab, click on the workshop tab and you'll see there's torches and other workshop ancillaries and stuff which you can have a look at. It is a great product and we're really chuffed to have it here. It just goes with our mentality of Kuda of bringing on, or working with and bringing on high quality brands with high quality products, and this fits the bill. So if you're wondering, should you buy some of it? Yes, I would absolutely recommend it. Okay, I work for the company that are selling the stuff, I get it, but genuinely, it is tough, it's built tough, it will last, you won't be regretting it when you've got it. And yeah, that's it, basically. I don't think there's much more else to say. I think everything comes with stickers as well. So when I was going back to the whole Apple thing, they ship these products with the old Unilite. So like this one here, you get a sticker, which I think is a really nice touch. We should start doing that on our products, Millie. Just a picture of Millie's face. The big truck giveaway, just Millie. Okay, yeah, so that's it for Unilite. And if you've got any other questions, get in touch with us. Drop a note in the comments. Get in touch on any of our socials, whatever you need. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, bell notification icon, all the usual stuff that we say. And yeah, we'll see you next time.